In this video, we will explain how to create a Binance account step by step. Even if you are new to cryptocurrency exchanges, you can easily sign up by watching and following this video. Please install and run the Binance app. When you first launch the app, two options will appear, and you should select Familiarity with Crypto. Enter the email address. Click Continue. Now check your email inbox. The verification code sent from Binance has arrived. Copy this code and paste it into the Binance app. Please set a password. The most important referral ID input field will appear. After clicking Yes, please enter the code currently displayed on the screen here. You can copy and paste the code from the description box below the video. You must enter this code to receive a lifetime 20% discount on all transaction fees. If you have finished entering, click the Complete button. Now you need to complete identity verification to trade on Binance. This process takes about 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID or passport. After selecting your country of residence, choose the type of identification and click Continue. Click Continue again to allow camera access, and please take a clear photo of the front of your ID so that the information is visible. Do the same for the back. Next is the selfie verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to move your head or look down to complete the verification. Once this process is complete, please enter your personal information as it appears on your ID. Select My Occupation and then click Continue. Once this process is complete, the identity verification review will begin. The review is usually completed within an hour, and if you pass, you can check the verified status in the profile menu. Finally, for account security, we will proceed with the security verification. Please click on your profile, then go to the Security tab and select the Google Authenticator app from there. Now install and run the Google Authenticator app. Press the button in the bottom right and select Enter Setup Key. Go back to Binance. Press the Enable button. Please enter the verification code sent to your email. Copy your 16-character holding key, then return to Google Authenticator and paste it. Set the account name to Binance by clicking Add. A 6-digit verification code that changes every 30 seconds will be generated. Go back to Binance, click Next, and enter the 6-digit verification code here to complete the security settings. Thank you for your hard work. Now the Binance registration and all account settings are complete. You can start trading on Binance by making a deposit or transferring coins. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.